Hi everyone. Today we will solve few tricky questions. Question 1. What least value should be given to star so that 6342 star 1 is exactly divisible by 9. Recall the divisibility rule for 9. It says that a number is exactly divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is exactly divisible by 9. Got it? Now observe the question. 6342 star 1 is exactly divisible by 9. So, the given condition is the number 6342 star 1 is exactly divisible by 9. To apply the divisibility rule for 9, first calculate the sum of digits. In this case, the sum of digits equals 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus star plus 1. Remember, at this stage, we do not know the value of star. So, we keep it as it is and add other digits first. It gives 16 plus star. Got it? Step 2. Choose the required multiple of 9. We know that multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, and so on. Step 3. Apply the divisibility rule 9. Observe here, we must choose a multiple of 9 that is equal to 16 or the next greater multiple to 16. In this case, 16 is not a multiple of 9. So, the next greater multiple to 16 is 18. So, choose 18. Now, the equation becomes 16 plus star equals 18. So, star equals 18 minus 16. Therefore, star equals 2. Got it? The final answer, star equals 2 and the number is 6, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.